guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a cute little video. I got this idea from Paige Koren. I'll lick
her.
Okay, let me start over. Hey guys, it's Kendall here, and for today's video I thought we would step aside from the beauty and do something a little different. I got this idea from Paige Koren. If you haven't seen her videos, I'll link her down below, and this video that I don't know if she like created it, but it's where I got the inspiration from. But it's a TJ Maxx Mukbang. Is that how you say it? Anyways, well, it's not really a mukbang as it is like a taste review, but she tasted a lot of foods and drinks. I only got 3 because I'm a picky eater. I ain't trying to be wasting my money on food I don't like. So to start off with, I got these Cocoa Therapy milk chocolate cups with peanut butter in them. They were only $3.99, and they just remind me of little Reese's Buttercups. So I'm gonna try those out. And then next, Paige Koren tried these out, so I was like, I got to try them. They're the Lovely Honey Gummy Bears Sour. So yeah, I really like gummy bears. And then this next product, I was like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna love, but I got her for the sake of the video, and it's these double chocolate sea salt macaroons. They were $2.99. Oh, and these were also $2.99. Don't know if I said that. So these were both $2.99. This was $3.99. I have a feeling I'm gonna like these the best, but we're gonna save these for last. Put my bag on the ground. So we're just gonna get straight into this video. Which one should I try first?
The chocolate thing.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So first we're gonna go in with these Tidbits double chocolate sea salt macaroons. We're going to open it up if I can. Ooh, they kind of stink. I already smell them. Ew. They're going to be like those Girl Scout cookies. I just know it. The Samoas. I don't like those, and those are
They look
like everybody's favorite. This is what they look like. I'm telling you, they smell just like those Girl Scout cookies. That's a no from me, dog. Nope. Ugh, they taste just like those Girl Scout cookies.
Let me try one. Some on the side. Other side. Other side.
Don't be tearing down my thing now. She's a little loose. Alright, my roommate's trying them. She's still in her pajamas, so she don't want to be seen.
I kind of like them.
You like them?
Ew, they look weird.
They do look weird. Do you like them? You can have them. So my roommate...
Healthy?
I don't know.
Probably not. It's chocolate.
So my roommate Hannah likes them.
I love the Girl Scout cookies.
Don't they taste just like them?
Yes, I love them.
No. Okay, so next I'm going in with these Lovely Honey Gummy Bears. They have cherry, strawberry, and blue raspberry. I'm going to try the blue raspberry one first because I love blue raspberry. So, ooh, they smell really good. Okay. So this is what they look like on the inside. So I'm gonna just... This one, I don't know what flavor this is. But if I had to guess, it would be cherry. She's good. She's really good. This, I'm gonna try this one. I'm assuming this is the blue raspberry. Yeah, if they got these at your local TJ Maxx, go pick some up. They are GF. I'm going to assume that's gluten-free. They are gelatin-free and peanut-free. No artificial ingredients and no high fructose corn syrup. Love that. I'm definitely going to be chowing down on these later. I give these an A+. I give the other macaroon thingy-madoodles a F. So I'll put this to the side because they was good. Alright. So now I got this cocoa. Is that how you pronounce that? Cocoa or coca?
I have an idea. Is it cacao?
Cacao?
Cocoa.
C-A-C-A-O.
Yeah, like your coconut.
Well,
It makes sense sometimes.
cocoa
Cacao.
therapy. This is all natural, so maybe they're a little bit healthier than Reese's. So there's a luscious peanut butter filling. They're gluten-free, non-GMO. Not only contains 8 pieces. How rude. Wait. They're individually wrapped. How freaking adorable. Okay. So, can I take them out? Oh. Look how cute. They're a lot smaller than I expected, not gonna lie. Oh well, y'all, these look just like Reese's peanut butters. Got little ridges on the side, everything. So, I'm gonna try it. Ready? Taste test. Oh my goodness. These taste almost exactly like Reese's peanut butter cups. A+. I wonder if they're healthier. The peanut butter in these tastes more like peanut buttery, if that makes sense. Like, they taste more like creamy and like natural peanut butter. Yo, I just spill every single one of these except for one. I give this a A+. A++. It's not plugged in. Need some water. Yeah, this definitely is like real peanut butter. Because you know how peanut butter makes your mouth like... I don't know what I'm getting at. But yeah. I need some H2O. Picking up the mess I've made. Hannah, can I hold the other bag real quick?
It's right there on the bed.
Oh, I see it. Gracias. Okay, so I tried out all 3 of these. I know this wasn't like a really long video, but yeah, so I would rank them this last. Not a fan of these at all. If you like those Girl Scout cookies, I don't know what they're called, but y'all know the ones I'm Samoas. You gon'
Caramel Delight.
y'all know the ones I'm talking about. But these nasty taste just like them Girl Scout cookies. If you like those, then you're gonna love these just like it. Okay, and then I'm going to put this one in the middle, the gummy bears. They were good, but y'all, the one who got the gold medal was this. She got a silver. She ain't even got a bronze. She didn't place. So that is my little TJ Maxx review. Food review, I guess. But yeah, I had fun filming this. If you would like to see like more videos like this, then please let me know. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye!